Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marwa, aka Miss English Teacher. You guys want one thing.
English! Fucking speak English!
And I heard you. So I'm gonna be doing something that I usually do in my one-to-one lessons, and that is we will be describing together a busy picture. So this is how it's gonna work. Every time I'm going to zoom in a part of the picture, and you need to think about the best way to describe it. After that, I'm gonna give you the answer, of course. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for the support. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna zoom in first here. Okay, guys. Let's get started with this corner. Let's talk about this lady. You see? What is she doing? Remember to use the present continuous when describing a picture. Okay, so let's see how many of these words did you get? Well, first of all, we can say that there's a lady and she's wearing monochrome pink. When you wear monochrome, it's like you wear one color and you have different shades of it. So she's wearing different shades of pink here, like a skirt, a pink skirt, a pink sweater, pink shoes, and so on. And she's walking her dog. If you said she's walking with her dog, that's not correct. We would say she's walking her dog, and then we can describe this. You see this part? This is a leash, yeah? And she's keeping her dog on a short leash. Super. Okay, guys, now let's continue and describe Kevin. Now, what you need to say is this part, that, what he's doing, and those things. Okay, time is up. So, Kevin is skateboarding on the sidewalk. You can also use the word pavement if you speak British English. Now, Kevin has his helmet on, yeah, and he's got his elbow pads and knee pads. He's got the whole equipment to keep him safe. Super. Now, what do you call this? And yeah, don't just read. I'm not asking for the British English word, but the American English word. Good. It's a cap. Now, what color are caps in your country? Are they yellow too? Okay, let's move on and describe what Will is doing here. Good. Okay, so Will just threw something in the trash bin, and it seems that he's eating a sandwich. Would you guys agree? He's wearing a cap, a t-shirt, shorts, and sneakers. Let's move on and talk about Dimitri. Good. By the way, guys, look at his hair. How would you describe him? Okay, so Dimitri is obviously talking on the phone. He's smiling. So this could be a fun conversation. He's wearing a yellow t-shirt and a pair of jeans. His hand is in his pocket. Guys, this is a pocket. You put your hand in your pocket. And Dimitri has not yellow hair, but blonde hair. Okay, so Dimitri is blonde. He has blonde hair. Super. Let's move on to Adela. Okay, so this is Adela. Yeah. So what is Adela doing? So Adela is playing the guitar and she's sitting on a bench. She has long black hair. Okay. And Adela seems to be pretty young. Maybe she's gonna be the next Adele. What about Suzanne and Adam? Good. So they are swimming in a swimming pool. We can see here they both have, those things that you wear. If you want to see underwater, then you need goggles. Good. And Suzanne has a swimming cap. Now, what's this thing around the swimming pool? What do you call that? Exactly. That is a fence. Now, let's move on to the next lady. For some reason, she doesn't have a name. Okay. So what is she doing? And what is this? Super. Very good. So she's crossing the street and she's pushing a stroller. When you have a baby, then usually you have a stroller. Okay, so I assume that she has a baby in there or a dog. I've seen people, trust me, I've seen people put in dogs in a stroller. That was really interesting. Okay, now let's talk about Paul. What is Paul doing? So Paul is buying a newspaper at a kiosk. Yeah, so this place is called a kiosk. Now, what about Sarah? Good. So Sarah is sitting in her living room and watching TV. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Okay, how about Anne? Very good job. Anne is riding a bike. Now, what about this guy? Yeah, here. The no-name guy again. Super. So this guy is window shopping. when you look at a store's window, then you're window shopping. Yeah, you're not actually shopping buying, but you're just looking window shopping. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds to, I don't know, did I miss anything? Let's have a couple of seconds and you can describe anything that you would like. So tell me, how did you find today's activity? Did you like it? Should I make more videos like this? If yes, then all you need to do is drop a comment and I'll make some more. Thank you for watching today's video. In my next video, I am playing with you a game. It's called Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? English version. So just click here.